Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, SpeedX Racer here, and welcome back to another random video. And in this random video, it's going to be another unboxing and review video for you guys once again. So, yeah you guys, right. I also have an announcement to make at the end of this video. And if I forget to say my announcement at the end of this video, then I'll probably make a separate video by saying that if I forget to say it in this video. So if I do, then I apologize for that. So hey guys, I also just wanted to let you know guys that if I do forget to make announcements in every of my videos and I have to make a separate video part to say it, then I apologize, because it'll just make me mad if I do forget about to say that sometimes. So yeah. Well, anyways, but I hope you do guys understand that. So yeah you guys. Alright. Now yeah. Well, anyways, so today I finally got this package that finally came in the mail from eBay. So yeah you guys, what you guys think that this package that is gonna be that I'm gonna show to you guys right now? Let me know that in the comments below you guys. So yeah, it is these random bags of diecast toy cars that finally came in the mail from eBay. So yeah you guys, we're gonna be taking a look at them and see what's inside there. So yeah, so yeah. Well, anyways, I'll also try my best not to struggle that much into this video, but if I lied about that, then I apologize, because I can't help it. So yeah. Well, anyways, now I'm about to show you guys what the random diecast toy cars are. So yeah, I'm gonna just show it to you guys. So yeah, all right, here they are. These are what the random bags of diecast toy cars looks like. So yeah, hold on. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is, you guys. All right. These look like some old 2000s of the Hot Wheels, but yeah, they still look cool. I don't know if there are going to be any good ones in there, but we'll have to see and find out once I open them. And when we start taking a good look at them, so yeah. Well, anyways, yeah. All right. Also, what I wanted to tell you guys is that one of my childhood diecast toy car is in there, and it's only just one, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. Well, since you already seen all the cars and you probably already seen it already, let me know down in the comments below of what my childhood car that is that I'm about to show you for a few minutes later into this video. So yeah you guys, let me know. Alright, now I'm gonna start opening it and let you guys know when it's open. So yeah. Well anyways, peace. Alright you guys, I'm back in. I already opened it and I opened up the bag. So hey guys, now we're gonna take a look at them and see what cars are in there. So Yeah, you guys. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Here's the first one. This one looks pretty cool, and I don't think I don't have this one. So, and in this color neither. So yeah, that's pretty cool if you guys ask me. So yeah. Well, anyways, on to the next car. Here's this cool looking thing. Thing. Is this? It is this lowrider. Looks awesome. It has not bad designs on it. Looks pretty neat. Alright. On to the next car. Here's this next one. It is this F1 racer, so yeah. F1 racer. So yeah. And I don't have this one in this color yet neither. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If you guys ask me. So yeah, like always. Like always, so yeah. Alright. On to the next cars. On to the next random cars. I meant to say I think. So yeah. I think. So yeah. Alright. Here's this one. Ooh, and I think this one might be my random. I mean, not that. I think this one might be one of my favorites. Because it has these cool surfboards on there. And I'm surprised that it's still on there and one of those isn't broken. So yeah, that's pretty cool if you guys ask me. So yeah. And I believe this one is from the Hot Wheels Highway 35. So yeah. And I know the movie a bit, because I think I kind of watched the whole movie of the Hot Wheels Highway 35, and it wasn't a not bad movie. It was kind of cool, but yeah. So, yeah. Alright, on to the next car. Let me just grab two, and here they are. I think I have that green one already. Oh, look at that. It is one of the character cars, and I thought it was SpongeBob, but it's Scooby-Doo. That's pretty cool, if you guys ask me. Oh, and that's pretty cool that I got a Scooby-Doo car, but sadly, one of the wheels on it is bent, but looks pretty cool, and I'm glad that I got a Scooby-Doo car, a Scooby-Doo car. So yeah, that's cool that I finally got a Scooby-Doo car. So yeah. Well, anyways, yeah. Whoops, I didn't mean to launch the car with that car, but oh well. Anyways, yeah, so this is the Scooby-Doo car. The Scooby-Doo car looks pretty cool for the design on it. Pretty nice for the Scooby-Doo car. And this one's from Matchbox, I think. So, yeah, it might be from Matchbox, because I recognize the wheels. So, yeah. That's a pretty cool Scooby-Doo car. So, yeah. Well, anyways, on to the next car. And put you right here. Okay. Alright. Okay, there's that one. Ooh, this one's cool. I know what this one is. Wow. Can't believe I got another one of these cars. that's unexpected. Unexpected, but pretty cool. Nice. Right. I got two of those, but different. So yeah. There's that one. I don't have that one. I think I do. It looks kind of familiar, but whatever. And there's this one. This one is one of the derby cars that you get with the. It's one of those. It's one of those like derby cars that you get with the monster truck. So, yeah, I think I know what that is. So, yeah. And also, I heard about that the wheels on it actually moves. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome. That's interesting. If you guys ask me, so yeah. All right. Anyways, on to the next car. I'm gonna show you guys my best favorite ones for last. So yeah, for last. So yeah, all right. Okay, are these? That one looks that one looks kind of cool. It looks pretty neat. Looks cool. And there's that one. All right. On to the next car. Okay. Oops, I'll save that for last. I'll save that for last. So yeah. Okay. Right. All right. Oh, nice. I finally got this too. That's awesome. I finally got that too. That's awesome. All right. I'm gonna show you. Okay. I already have that one, but I think mine is kind of rusty. So at least I got a fresh one of that. So yeah, that's awesome. And I got another one of those Pixar Diecast toy cars. So yeah, I can save that for a spare extra in case. So yeah. Here's this neat looking thing. So yeah. Here's this one, and I know that before because I watched this YouTuber named Aaron Does Road of Cars, and Aaron Does World of Cars, and he used that car for the Cars Adventure series, and yeah, I saw that one, and it had like a face painted on there. So yeah, and now I finally got my own same car like his. So yeah. And what do you know, you guys? I got another one of those cars. This one's some like SUV. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. If you guys ask me, so yeah. All right. I don't see no interesting ones in here, but it's whatever. Wait, okay. Hmm. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me sketch myself out of the way. These out of the way too. Okay. Here are these ones. That one looks pretty cool, but I already have that one in that same color too. So, two so, two so, two so, yeah. But, but, but it still looks, but it still looks cool. But it still looks cool, I guess. And I didn't know they had this one in green, which that looks pretty nice, cause it's my favorite color. So yeah. Here's this cool looking thing. So yeah, cool looking thing. And here's this sick Lambo. Pretty nice. Nice color, nice color, nice color to it. Nice color to it too. So yeah. All right. Let's see what this one is. It doesn't have. Wait. Oh, it does have the name. Okay. Looks pretty cool. This one looks cool too. Not bad. Right. Let's see. Oh, it's a regular car. That's pretty cool. Not bad. All right. Okay. These ones. I like that one. That's awesome. So yeah. So yeah. Here's this cool looking thing. There's that cool looking thing. Looking thing. Looking thing. Looking thing. So yeah. There's that cool looking thing. All right. And here's this car that I'm about to show you. It is going to be my first, well actually my second favorite car out of all my other ones. So yeah, because I thought this looks pretty sick. So yeah, guys. Well, here it is. Look at this thing. It looks pretty awesome. Here it is. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. If you guys ask me. So yeah, you guys. Now I'm about to show you guys what my childhood car is that I'm about to show you. So yeah. Now I'm going to show you my childhood car. So Alright. Alright, here it is. There's my childhood childhood car that I used to have when I was a kid. So yeah, guys, here it is. This is my childhood car. And the reason it's my childhood car because, well, I said the story from one of my other videos, I think, and you guys probably know. So yeah, if you guys want to know what story that I'm talking about from this my childhood car, from my childhood toy car, then go watch my other video. So yeah, and you guys want to know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Well, anyways, this is my childhood toy car. So yeah, I can't believe that it's in my hands again. I'm so happy for this car. I'll never forget this car. Looks so cool. And I like the nice paint job style on it as well. Looks awesome. I'll never forget about my childhood car ever again. Well, hopefully. But yeah. I'm just happy that I finally got it back and I finally reclaimed it back. So yeah. I also was thinking about trying to order another one of this, like this one, in the same color of it too, and open up that one as well. But now I finally got it with all these other cars. So yeah, that's awesome. Now I don't have to order another one of this online just to get it. So yeah, and just to open it. So yeah. Alright. I'm just so happy that I finally got this childhood toy car in my hands again. And I hope I will never lose this. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, you guys, this is my childhood toy car. So that I used to have when I was a kid, but I ended up losing it. So yeah, I just can't believe I have my childhood toy car again. So yeah, that's awesome. I'm happy that I finally got my childhood toy car once again. So toy car once again. So yeah. Alright. Well, now I'm gonna show you guys which one of these are my most favorite ones. So yeah, and there's plenty of room. So, and I only have 3 favorites. So I'm just gonna show you 3 on my desk, because there's not that much cars that are not taking over the space this time for now. So yeah, so I'm just do that. Alright. Okay. Okay, guys, so here are my mostest favorite cars out of all my other ones. So out of all my other ones. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. All right. All right. All right. Here they are. Okay. Well, this will always still be my first ever favorite. This will only this will always be at the top, but at the top so top so yeah at the top so yeah so at the top so yeah at the top so yeah, you guys. So this car will be always my first ever favorite, always at the top. So at the top so yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me know down in the comments below of which one of these random diecast toy cars is your guys' favorite. So hey guys, I'm going to just show you them all one more time, and then we're going to end this video. So yeah, you guys. All right. Okay. All right. Now we're going to be ending this video. So yeah, you guys. This video this video so this video so yeah, you guys. We're going to be ending this video. So yeah. So yeah, you guys. You guys. All right. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys. I hope. I hope you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, follow and share for more content. Peace. You guys heard him. You guys better make sure you guys like and subscribe, volunteer for more content, because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, you guys. All right. For one last time, you guys, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content, because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah. Make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content, because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, you guys better make sure you guys like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys always like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys always like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, alright. For one last time, you guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer. Make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys always like and subscribe. Make sure you guys always like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, make sure you guys always like and subscribe, volunteer for more content because we make great content for you guys. So make sure you guys better like and subscribe, volunteer for more content. So yeah, alright. Okay. Whoa, that's a cool new random diecast toy cars that SpeedX Racer has finally got, and I can't believe he finally got all those. That's pretty cool for SpeedX Racer to finally get all of those, and I'm glad that SpeedX Racer has finally got all of those. So hey guys, I'm happy for SpeedX Racer to finally get all of those. So yay guys. Alright, that'll be the end of this video. So yeah, you guys, see you guys next time, in which or whatever videos we'll upload next for you guys. So yeah, you guys, see you guys next time. See you guys next time. Bye, you guys. Peace. Ka-chow. 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 Hmm? Ka-chow. 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 Sana. Ka-chow. 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 Try that one more time. Ka-chow. 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 Bye, you guys. Peace. Peace.